T.G.I.F, everybody. Incredibly gorgeous, awesome, amazing weather again on this Friday, March 20th, 2020. Taking a walk on the lake here. Social distance is very comfortable, far greater than 6 feet as the recommended practice is. Since the lake goes on around a mile, there's somebody walking on the other side of the lake, which is probably about a quarter of a mile from me. And just got through feeding our other friends back there. So I've got so much of them on video and photos anyway. I just thought I'd take this for saying hello. T.G.I.F from Coconut Creek, Florida. It's like 85 degrees out, sunny, gorgeous as you can see. Puffy marshmallow clouds in the sky over a nice crystal clear, clean air. The air feels so good. Breathe freely. Sunshine, vitamin D, blue skies. What else can I say? Have a great day. Bye-bye.